In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your WooCommerce store URL. If you're running an online store using WooCommerce on a WordPress site, knowing your store's URL is crucial for sharing with your audience, promoting your products, or simply making sure your customers can find you with ease. So, let's walk through the steps to uncover that important piece of information. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the command center for your website, where you can manage everything from design and content to e-commerce settings. If you're not sure how to access your dashboard, you can typically do so by typing your website's domain name followed by -wp admin in your browser. Once you enter your credentials and successfully log in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, look for the settings option on the left-hand side menu. The WordPress dashboard is designed to give you easy access to different areas of your site, and you'll find that most of these major sections are listed along the left side. Once you locate settings, you'll want to hover over it or click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with further options. Within the drop-down from the settings menu, select General. This section contains all the basic configurations for your WordPress site, including the titles, the date and time formats, and of course, the URLs relating to your site and store. It's essentially the place where foundational pieces of information about your site are housed. On the General Settings page, you'll find fields labeled Site Title, Tagline, WordPress Address, URL, and Site Address, URL. Pay attention to the Site Address, URL field, as this is what you're looking for. This field displays the URL of your WooCommerce store, serving as the public address that customers use to access your shop. If you have set up your WooCommerce store correctly, this URL will guide visitors directly to your shop page. However, if you've made any specific customizations or have set a different shop page, remember that the URL might lead to the main entrance of your site rather than the shop specifically, unless otherwise configured. A quick tip: make sure this URL is up to date and correctly reflects any changes you may have made to your domain or site address settings in the past. Having an incorrect URL could lead your site visitors to the wrong page or result in a broken link. That's it. Simple as that. You now know where to find your WooCommerce store URL in your WordPress dashboard. With this information, you'll be ready to share your store address with potential customers, partners, and anyone interested in what you have to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you enjoyed this guide and want more tutorials.